Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can apply fade in or fade out effect to your video clips on CapCut in 2025. So let us get started. So start by clicking into your video clip on your timeline here in the CapCut video editor. And what you want to do next, guys, is apply an animation by clicking into animation in the top right corner. And you may, for example, apply fade in effect. So make sure that you select in. However, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to apply a fade out effect. So click into out and simply look for the fade out effect. There it is. Click into it, and that is going to apply the fade out effect to the end of that video clip. It fades out at the end, just like that. So it may play in the preview. And here at the bottom, guys, here that slider, you will see the given animations duration. So if you increase it, for example, let's say 2 seconds, the fade out effect will start much sooner, as you can see here in that thin white line here below your video clip. So let me just play the preview, and as you can see, the fade out effect starts much sooner. So that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.